welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you very important tips to maintain the moisture and nourishment of your skin during this winter season. In winters, it is very important to choose correct skincare products which helps in maintaining proper moisture and nourishment for our skin. Therefore, this winter season I have chosen ME Mega Mart products for my skin. So let me show you how I complete my day using M products. I start my day using Vizigly bathing soap, which is a transparent cleansing bar to cleanse, moisturize, protect and nourish your entire body in a gentle way. Then I wash my face using Dwash Moisturizing Facial Wash, which is enriched with oils, butters and vitamins, and its luxurious creamy formula is ideal for dry and sensitive skin. After cleaning my body and face, it's turn for moisturizing the same. Now for my body, I use Hydrofil emollient lotion, which helps in replenish my skin's moisture and protective lipid barrier with advanced non-comedogenic ingredients. It not only moisturizes my entire body and skin, but also nourish it. Then for my face, I use Lipidz cream, which repair my thin, weak and damaged skin of my face, as it has all skin essentials in it. Last but not the least, I use Lips, which is a lip moisturizer on my lips, as it not only rehydrates but also heals and protect my dry, chapped lips. So the secret to the smooth and beautiful skin is here with M products. This winter season, gift your skin a healthy, happy, moisturized and nourished texture. Buy all the beautiful M skincare range products from the links given in the description box below. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Be beautiful and have a very wonderful skin this winter season.